Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Git on Oracle Linux. So first verify whether we have Git or not by giving git -- version. See, you don't have the Git, so install it by running the command sudo dnf install git. Hit enter. See, it is going to install Git version 2.4. Okay, type Y for confirmation and hit enter. Installation is very straightforward. So installation is completed. We are going to configure Git. So git config, Ctrl L to clear screen. Git config -- global user dot name, in quotations give the username. Hit enter. It is done. Now git config global user dot email, then give the email. Hit enter. Now git config -- list. See, this is the username and this is the global user email. Okay, also verify the git version, git -- version. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Git on Oracle Linux. The process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. For more Git or DevOps videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.